stoppers. What is this? Points for ranking? Okay, must be a game. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna make some black tea. Thank you for joining my live stream. Thank you, guys. All right, let's make a cool background. You guys want a cool background? This is a good background. That's the way to do it. Diamond hands, guys. Hit the like button. Points needed for ranking. I need 7,300 points. Whatever. We got a new game. Kung Fu Kangaroo to the moon. Thank you. What's up, dude? I gotta give you a follow. You get a follow since you've been coming to all my live streams. Thank you for the likes. Appreciate it. I've always wondered why you don't get worried about getting... That's like actually a good question, Irregular Justice. Thank you for that question. Let me answer it when more people come in the live, because that's a great question. So slam the like button and we get 10 people in this live stream. I'll answer that question about why don't I worry about getting a margin call? Because that is a really good question. I appreciate when people like you come on this live stream and ask good questions. Because the reason I'm doing this is so we all learn. All right, we got 20 people, or we had 20 people on the live. So we're going to talk about why I don't worry about getting margin called. I owe about 400 grand on my interactive brokers, and then I owe about $30,000 on my Robinhood. So I have almost $500,000 of margin. And the reason I don't worry about getting a margin call is because most of my assets are in high quality stocks. And so if the market crashes, something like an Apple or an Amazon, they're actually going to go up in value because they can buy other companies for more cheap. So they can buy their competitors on the cheap. Does that make sense? So that's why if you're going to take on margin, if you're going to take on debt, you want to hold high quality assets, because usually those high quality assets don't go down as much in a crash. And if you're buying a company, usually a company becomes stronger during a crash because you can buy other companies for cheap. Did I answer your question? Hopefully that answered your question. Nice, we're about to hit 100 people in this live. Thank you everyone that's here this morning. And remember, I support smaller content creators. So if you are a small content creator or you're just like an investing newbie, you want to come on this live stream, you can. You just need 1,000 followers. So yeah, ask good questions, and hopefully I will entertain you guys, teach you guys, and I want to learn too. So I'm always, if you have like a favorite TikToker that you want to recommend, you know, tell him to come in my live or I'll go in his live. I'm always down to learn more. Let's do this, guys. Let's hit 200 people in this live stream. Hi there. Yo, we're about to break 200. Hey man, nice to see you today. Yeah, I'm gonna try to come on the mornings, guys. If you're a real investor, you have to be up at 6:30 California time when the stock market opens. So I try to get on early. And remember, I will never sell you anything. Unlike most creators, I make my money investing. So I will never sell you anything. I want you to take your money and I want you to put it in high quality assets so you can become wealthy. I don't want to make money off of you. I want you to become wealthy. You got to be up earlier than that. Yeah, but I do limit orders. If you do limit orders, you don't really have to do much. You just wait for the price to hit for you. But you're right. You're right. Well, thank you for everyone that coming. Can I just make a living trading? No, I don't think you can just make a living trading. I think what you can do is make money on the side trading and then maybe have some other hustles. Can't be doing with the capital gains tax. Yeah, exactly. That's why you don't want to day trade. You want to buy and hold and get loans on your asset so you can get a tax deduction. That's the hustle. We're trying to get tax deductions so our government doesn't waste $7 trillion in Iraq. Do I trade stocks? I buy and hold high quality stocks, and if you hold your stocks for more than a year, you're going to pay 50% less in taxes. So anything you buy, you should try to hold for at least a year. I do sell stocks I lose money on because I want to get a tax deduction. So if I bought, let's just say, a random stock, and then 3 months later I'm in the red, especially at the end of the year, because remember, you only got 2 more months to get tax deductions for this year. So basically in November and December is the best time to sell all the stocks you've lost money on and get a tax deduction, and you can buy it back next year. And you can, yeah, that's basically how you should harvest it. How long have I been investing for? Let me see, like 12, 13 years. It's been a while. Best way to get loans on Bitcoin and less risk. Check out, here, I'll try to post it. It's Celsius is the best way to get loans, but you should also just stake your Bitcoin. Instead of getting loans on your Bitcoin, you can download the Voyager app. It may not be on the UK. You could do Gemini, but you could just stake your Bitcoin and just collect interest. Are you paying back the loans with income? No, I don't have to pay the loans back because my stocks are growing faster than 1%. Let me just change my background so I can show you guys. Or you know what, I have to send it to me. But basically, I'm up about 30% for the year, so I don't have to pay back the loan because now I own more. My stocks have gone up more in value than what I owe, if that makes sense. I'm staking, I'll have a tax bill. Yeah, but remember, you have to be staking a lot of money to have like a reasonable tax bill, because most places pay 6%, right? So that means if you had 100 grand staking, that's $6,000. So $6,000 is not like a huge tax bill. Have I invested in SHIB? I have. I have invested in SHIB. I'm starting to get started in crypto. What's the best platform? I like Voyager. Here, I'll comment again. Check out Voyager. We both get $25 of free Bitcoin. If someone here has already signed up for Voyager and got the $25 of free Bitcoin, drop your referral code because I don't really need any more free Bitcoin. So if someone else is using it and has a referral code, go ahead and drop your referral code. If the stocks drop a lot, the government bails you out. What you guys don't realize is the government cheats. Like the government, what they do is the big companies give money to the politicians. So whenever the stock market crashes, the politicians bail them out. You see, they basically use socialism for big corporations, and then they screw the common person. So if you want to take advantage of the fact that the companies own our government, you should be investing in them. I had to pay when I sold some Ethereum. Yeah, you have to pay taxes. Yeah, that's why you should get a loan on your Ethereum. That's what I did. And you don't pay any taxes. Cardano for the win. Matic is a good project. Yeah, you just report on your tax return. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Did you guys hear about like the pilot that got in trouble? And by the way, I'm a moderate. I'm in the middle. So I didn't really see much change between Obama, Trump, and Biden. It just seems like the military-industrial complex is always going to win. If the loan... Yeah. So it's actually better to lose money on a crypto loan than to actually sell it. Because remember, if you sell your stock for a profit, you get a tax deduction. If you get margin called, you get a tax deduction. So sometimes it's actually better to get the margin call and you don't pay as much taxes. And then remember, Trump, the reason why Trump didn't pay taxes for 10 years is he did that with real estate. Trump defaulted on his real estate loans and he got like $1 billion tax deduction. So if you want to be like Trump, it's better instead of selling to default and then you get a fat tax deduction. Learn from Trump. Trump got into crazy leverage. The reason why Trump was a successful businessman is he knew how to borrow and he never borrowed at 3%. Like if Trump, because Trump is not going to understand this, but if Trump knew that you could borrow for 1% on your stocks or 0% on your crypto, Trump would be doing it. But, he's too old to learn. How do I learn all this? I started in 2017, YouTube, TikTok. Trump was a con artist. Yeah, Trump University. I owe 700 on Webull. Nice. Just hold high quality stocks. When you are using margin or you're borrowing, that means you need to take less risk. So that means you can't buy crap coins. You can't buy small companies. invest in Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. Are you comfortable telling us how much you make a year? I don't make a lot of income this year because I own real estate. And so I'm going to be 100% honest. If you own real estate, you don't pay a lot of taxes. That's what people don't realize, that like really wealthy people in California, they don't pay a lot of taxes because they don't have a lot of income. What they do is they get loans on their assets. That's why Jeff Bezos pays 1% taxes, Warren Buffett 1%, Elon Musk. So you want to be like the wealthy people, and it's okay to have income, but you want your income to eventually shrink so you don't get taxed that much. And you want to have investments that you can basically take loans on so you don't pay any taxes, or you pay less taxes. What's up, man? Do you see this real estate market bubble about to pop? Possibly, but the government is rigging the game. You know, the government can tax everyone more if prices go up. So that's why the government is purposely inflating the real estate market, because then they can tax everyone more. So it's in their incentive to keep making prices go up. Fault on mortgage foreclosure. No, there's no stupid questions in my live stream. Okay, man, I'm here to try to teach you the best I can, and I do appreciate other people in this live stream if you can answer questions. Sometimes, you know, I miss a question. So, and if you're answering a lot of good questions, I'll make you a moderator. So if you want to be a moderator, just answer the questions better than me. I'm okay with other people answering. Oh, we got a guest request. Nice.
What's up, bro?
What's up? What's up, man? Welcome
How
to the
you
live.
doing?
Doing good.
Hey, have you been keeping up with the SEC Ripple / XRP case?
Kind of, but not really.
Do you know what are the real, in my opinion, implications behind that?
Not really, because I'm not a lawyer. But I wouldn't sell my
I I
XRP
feel
because I think. Go
I
ahead.
feel like they're trying to abolish the SEC.
I don't know about that, but
Think
I think
think
Ripple will
about it
win.
though. With crypto, you essentially can circumvent the SEC. Like all of these new cryptos tokens, they're all securities. People don't understand that. Like they have to sell their tokens to get their business up and going. XRP
Yeah.
did it different. They started XRP, then they added liquidity to their XRP by buying it, and then they, with Ripple they added liquidity, but XRP was started first. So what I'm saying is
Hmm.
that if XRP wins and the SEC can't oversee cryptocurrency, period, that would be horrible.
Yeah.
That would be
Yeah.
horrible because these meme tokens will keep going on and on and on. What's up, man?
So yeah, we can't predict the future. That's a possibility in the future. You know, I'm not here to predict the future, but my main thing is that you should always diversify. So you shouldn't have all your money just in XRP, and you
Oh, I
shouldn't
don't
be
have all my
100%
money in
crypto.
XRP, bro. Majority of my
Do you own
money's in
stocks too?
Bitcoin.
Okay, nice.
Well,
Good for
my
you, man. Same here. Do you own
yeah,
any stocks?
no, my brothers do. I don't have. I mean, stocks is more reasonable to me because there's actually hardcore businesses behind the stock. You know what I mean? Like I agree with stocks more. However, dude, crypto has
Why
changed
won't
my
you own them
freaking life.
then?
Huh?
So if crypto's changing your life, you're building all this wealth, right? Like you're becoming more and more wealthy. So why not diversify? You know, because crypto's going to make you rich, right? But like as you become more and more wealthy, shouldn't you own stocks, real estate, and crypto?
I mean, well, we all have our own life
That's my
circumstances,
job here,
right?
dude. I'm just trying to get all you guys in crypto who's made good money. Just diversify. You guys will thank me
I
later. And
agree.
it's not. Okay,
Dude,
cool.
you're 100% right. It's just that, bro, there's like a lot of stuff going on. And plus, like this season, I can't miss out on this season. You know what I mean? Like right
Yeah.
now,
And
I've,
shout out to Kingpin too. He says I don't own stocks, I'm in real estate. So it's like, and you could do also stable coins. So you don't have to own stocks. I understand, but just, you know, if you're gonna YOLO, you can YOLO Bitcoin. At least you're not like 100% in a crap coin like Squid token or something.
oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Go ahead.
Hey, Dean, so check this out, right? So, Ethereum, right? Ethereum.
Hmm. Of
So
course.
with this SEC case, I'm not XR. Like I really honestly think XRP is going to play a big role. However, I'm not all gun ho XRP because You can't be, because the only true cryptocurrency, in my opinion, is Bitcoin, because it started like people, like the general public, added liquidity to it in a different way. You know how it gained its first valuation,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, for
You
sure.
know how.
One thing I just want to shout out, the goal is to get 10 millions in stock, crypto, and real estate. Can we all agree with that? Like if you're going to get to 10 million, you're going to want to own all three, right? I think everyone here, we're trying to get to
Yes.
10 mil. And me personally, I might have like 4 million in real estate, 3 million in stocks, 3 million in crypto. I think that's everyone's goal here. And we might be able to do it with inflation, with all this money printing.
Hey,
Like maybe
hey,
in
Dean.
20 years,
Hey,
we're doing this
hey,
TikTok live stream and we all have $10 million.
answer
Isn't
Doge's
leverage
question.
haram?
Yeah,
It's
it
so
is. It
true.
is though.
It
It is.
is.
You know what people don't understand? There's no halal investments. There isn't. Even the Muslim banks that do halal investments,
Yeah.
their
It's a
money is
scary world.
stationed and
Yeah.
earning interest. Did you know that?
Yeah. But well, the way they get around it is they own a percent of the equity. But at the end of the
Bro,
day, yeah.
there's no getting away. Not in Islam. I'm Muslim, so I know 100%. There's no
Okay.
getting away
Peace be
around it.
upon you, brother. Peace be upon you. So I believe in
Salam.
Muhammad, Jesus, Buddha, Allah, cows. I believe in all the religions. I think they're
Well,
all up in heaven laughing at us. They're all like, haha, look at these guys fighting.
what I have my own perspectives or whatever, but yeah, like, good morning, Collector's Corner. Yeah, because all right, how about this? No one really understands that meme tokens. Like, they don't know the difference between liquidity and market cap.
Yeah. You want
Like,
to explain that? You want to explain
yeah,
that to
sure.
people?
So for example, I just made a
And
video
but
about
before
it,
we do
and
this, before
what's
we
up?
do this too, how did you educate yourself? I do want to like let people know that like there's ways to educate yourself. I went to USC for
All
my
right.
MBA, but
Do you want to know? Do
every
you
day I
want?
come on TikTok and I meet people that are smarter than any of my MBA classmates. Go for it.
All right. First time I brought crypto was. Do you know who I brought it from? This is gonna be weird. An escort friend of mine. Because remember, Backpage, they used to have to deal with BTC. And so she
Mhm.
hooked me up with some dark web people that wanted to sell their crypto. I don't know what the hell
Mhm.
they did or anything, but that's how I got started. Then, of course, doing more and more research. And just
Where
like,
do you do your research? You're not buying online classes, right? Please tell me you
hell
didn't buy
no.
online classes.
What? You just YouTube, bro. I'm like
Yeah.
always commenting like this is a
I'm trying to
scam.
get to 1 million followers, and I'm going to be the only person with 1 million followers that doesn't sell online classes. That's like being a really hot chick that doesn't have an OnlyFans. That's what I'm
Well,
trying to do,
see,
guys. I'm trying to get
well,
to a
Dean,
million followers, no selling classes. Everything's
but
free.
Dean, I didn't do, like, if you go look at my content is so random because the only thing I want to do is put my face out there in social media. I don't need nobody's money.
Hmm.
And I definitely
Yeah.
don't give a damn if you buy or do anything that I do. However, with
Yeah.
your
Shout out, by the
influence,
way, give him a follow. You got 7,000 followers. You're going to get to 10,000, and TikTok needs to pay you some money, especially if you're creating good financial like content and you're not shilling crap coins. TikTok pays
bro.
this man.
But see, Dean, even if I talk about a crap coin, I show people the dex score. I tell them, bro, do not put in more than $50 or $100. Like, if you got $1,000, dude, listen to me. Like, people don't understand. If you had $100 into Shiba back in the beginning, it's worth like $1 million right now or whatever. But the thing is, like, they don't understand that. Like, you don't put in thousands of dollars into these coins. Like, I'm actually, today's November 1st. So I'm done.
Hmm.
No more meme tokens because this is our bull run. The main tokens, everything is about to get a breakout, even XRP.
Yeah.
Everything.
And if you're looking to get a tax deduction, remember these are the last 2 months that you can sell whatever you want to sell at a loss and get a tax deduction. And then remember, you can buy back next year, or you can do the wash sale rule with crypto. That's the one thing that makes crypto better than stocks. But remember, guys, you don't need to hold forever. You should, if you are bleeding on some of these cryptos, go ahead and sell and get the tax deduction and then just buy it back. And at least you get a tax deduction.
Yeah, I feel like a piece of crap sometimes because everyone's like buying now, and I've been buying since all the way back then. Like, I'm not extremely wealthy, but I got my bags and I can hold them. Like, I'm all right. I'm gonna tell you my predictions by 2030. These are my predictions. Bitcoin will be
Okay.
around anywhere from 5 to 10 million. Ethereum will
Ooh,
be around.
bro, let's do that. If Bitcoin hits 10 million, that means everyone here can have the 10 million goal. You just got to get one Bitcoin. That should be
No,
everyone's goal.
yeah.
Get one
I mean,
Bitcoin.
bro, it's gonna happen. Like everybody, like you see how slowly the news is leaking information about the derivatives market now. Stuff that the XRP army's been talking about since what when they started talking about, like 2018. It was after 2017. Like the only problem with the
That's just the
XRP
moon.
army is that they keep repeating the same damn information with the same videos. It's like, dudes, y'all need to quit trying to manipulate people.
Yeah.
But all right, Ethereum, I predict by 2030 be $1 million coin. See, the thing is, like, these numbers don't make sense. They don't. However, another reason why I believe they got cryptos because they really want to see how much money's in the world. Like, they don't even know how many actual American dollars are out there. You know that, right?
Yeah, because they can keep printing more. They just keep printing more. That's why Dogecoin will eventually hit $1. Like, isn't that funny when a joke currency is worth as much as the US dollar because they're printing less Doge than they're printing dollars?
Someone said XRP is trash, no cap. Do you know that XRP is the only coin that cannot be forked?
Guess who makes money on all cryptos? Coinbase. That's why everyone here should buy a
Yes.
little bit of Coinbase, buy a little bit of
Yeah.
Voyager. I own Voyager the stock, I own Coinbase the stock. And then everyone here should get a Voyager because you get $25 of free Bitcoin. And whoever you sign up, you get $25 of free Bitcoin. And you can do the same thing with Coinbase. So you're like helping your company. You're getting free Bitcoin and you're helping your company. And if crypto
Hey,
goes up or
Dean, you're
down,
a
it doesn't matter.
genius, dude. I swear, like you know what's messed up. You know what's one thing I forgot to tell you this. Before I
Dude,
followed
there's a
you,
lot
your
of smart people on TikTok. This is why TikTok is dope. There's a lot of smart people. There's a lot of smart people smarter than me. That's why I'm on this platform to learn.
but Dean, you offer a layman's way of doing things. Like you're using the right words, the right presentation and everything. But this is what I want to tell you. How come when I started following you, you don't pop up on my FYP? Even when I went to my followers thing trying to find your like, because when I was going through trying to find one of your to see if you'll pop up on my page, I had to go directly to your
Yeah.
profile to watch a video.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm like shadow banned or TikTok doesn't like me. What it is I need to cover more about the Chinese loan. I'm letting another guest on too, but I think whenever I talk about the Chinese loan I did, TikTok like promotes my page because like the CCP owns the bank that I got my loan. So maybe I should talk about my Chinese loan and then I'll get more coverage on TikTok.
Dude,
Dude,
that really, I was gonna say that really gets my attention all the time is when you talk about those loans and how you're like, okay, so
Yeah.
this is how it works, but you break it down. It makes sense to you, so you're able to break it down so fast. And because TikTok gives you those little minutes, honestly, dude, do it. Pull the trigger, do a 3-minute video, and actually get into the nitty gritty and
yes.
slow it
Dude,
down for a smooth
why don't I
brain
get other
ace.
people to do it? So my goal here is to get other content creators exposure because maybe you guys can do it better than me. You know what I mean? Like that's all I'm
Well,
about too. Like I'm gonna
well,
get
and
old. I'm gonna become like Warren Buffett, dude. I'm not gonna be the smartest person, and it's better to actually promote younger and smarter, I think,
yeah,
creators because whatever
get
I don't do
people.
right, you guys can do better. You know what I mean? You guys
Hey,
can figure out how to
Kingpin,
explain it better.
what's Kung Fu Kangaroo? That got to be a meme token? It must have just came out,
Bro,
dude.
what's the
So are
deal?
people actually talking about it? Are people talking about it? Because we literally just made it as a joke. We were
No,
gonna do Kung Fu Panda, and then they already have a Kung Fu Panda. So then we said
Yo,
Kung
why
Fu
don't we make
Kangaroo
a meme token? Why don't we do one?
and go around in the chats because I don't want to take people's money, dude. But anyways, let's
But
just go
dude,
around.
check
Any
this out.
other
But Dean,
make
we
up
don't
fake
need it. But what
tokens?
I'm saying is the money people invest will actually invest in the project. I mean, either way, it's going to be an ICO. This is your only chance to do this and actually get a good company out of it. And then once it's done, they'll just turn everything your tokens into securities, which will be shares of a company.
That's true.
that is true. That's good thinking too.
I mean,
Where you
just
up to,
that
Mikey?
I'm where Dean's at. I just don't want to hustle but like it's so
Yeah,
easy to
exactly.
hustle.
I just want everyone here to get Bitcoin and Ethereum because Bitcoin and Ethereum will never pay me. You know what I mean? A lot of these tokens, they're paying the content creators to do it. It's
Even
like a pyramid,
XRP, you think?
right? I don't know about XRP because that's a real project. If it's in the top 30, it can't be a scam. Like
But
even in the
hey,
top
Dean,
100. It's usually when
Dean,
it's not in the top 100.
you realize Ripple's the only real crypto company. They got almost their whole cabinet is lined up with just ex-SEC officials, ex-government officials. Like Ripple, in my opinion, is the only crypto company. The only true crypto, in my opinion, is Bitcoin. I mean, that's just yo. So the evaluation. Do you remember how they got the first evaluation for Bitcoin? Do you remember? I asked this earlier. Remember the 2 pizzas that was sold? That the dude
Oh yeah,
paid
Bitcoin pizza, Bitcoin pizza.
That
Hey,
was
by
the
the way, if you guys want, one of you guys want to host? Because I can go for another 8 minutes, so I can actually
Y'all can
join your
host.
live stream and pump it up. Yeah, if
Yeah,
someone wants to
I'll
keep
host.
the live stream going, I'll join your live stream and pump your live stream up.
No,
Because
that
I
works.
gotta go in 8 minutes.
No, yeah,
So
yeah,
who
that
wants to
works.
host? And I'll jump.
I'll host. Mike, you
I
can
mean,
jump on.
Who's hosting?
I'm about to go take a shower anyway, so like
Okay.
8
You want to
minutes.
host? I'll go for another 8 minutes on your live stream.
All right, cool. Meet me over there.
All right, y'all.
Okay, cool.
Y'all have a
Jump on
great
his
day.
live stream.
God
Everyone
bless.
give him a follow. Give him a follow, guys. Give him a follow. See you guys later.